All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're going to be going over the setup for today's project. And so when you first log into Replit, you should be taken to, this is my homepage. To be honest, I have no idea what your homepage looks like, but the student view looks like so. You would click on whichever period you're at. And then the new thing that's going to be down here is a project tab. And there should be one in here called Project 2. Personal website, yours by the time you do this in class, it might say stylized website. But you're going to click this project. And what it does is it's going to open up this project for you. And just go to the normal Replit code editor screen. Okay, so this is now your personal project. It is automatically shared with me, which means that I can look at what you're doing and help you out with stuff whenever you need to. But this is it's kind of like a Google Doc. So this is like if you and I were able to do the Google Doc at the same time. If you wanted to work with someone else in the class or one of your friends in a different class and you wanted them to see some of your code, you could click this share button up here. And then you could invite them by, typing in their email or texting them a link or anything like that, and you'll be able to have them look at it and help you out, and then vice versa. Okay. But in getting this website set up, the first thing we want to do, notice we only have an index.html page. We have some of our standard just boilerplate, HTML boilerplate. And we want to add a CSS page because we're going to be adding some styles to this. So I'm going to go up here and say I want to add a file. And then I want to name that style.css. Now, adding a CSS page is all good, but we need to be able to link it to our HTML page. So that always goes in the head section. So I'm going to add a link. And we're going to say that it is a style sheet. And then we want to give the link destination. So the href is style.css. And then we need to close that tag right. So now we have our page linked. And just to double check that this is actually working, an easy way to do this is go into your style sheet and let's actually just say, okay, for the body, I want to make this just an ugly blue color. Just to kind of double check that, yes, my index page is going. So that should just turn this whole screen blue when we click run. Good. That is indeed just a kind of real gross blue color, but it's good for now. That lets us know that our link and everything is working well. I also want to change this title right here. I want this to be just my name. That's what I usually like. Just making it a personal name right there. And let's see. We don't really have anything left to do. Okay. So this is just like the basic startup to our new web page, how you start the project. And in the next lesson, we'll start going over a favicon and what we want to do to add a nice little, cute little icon to our tab. All right, so I'll see you there.